Vision, a transformative learning institution producing globally competitive graduates. Mission, to deliver quality education and dynamics instruction, relevant resources and sustainable extension program geared towards socio-economic development. Core values, MONCAS, M. Moral of uprightness. O. Optimism. A. Nationalism. C. Compassion. A. Adaptability. S. Service. T. Teamwork. Goals. Number 1. Produce competent graduates. Number 2. Foster strong linkage and network. Number 3. Synergize human capital.